I don't see any coming out, guys. Oh, golly. Maybe it is. We got a lot of it. Yes, it was coming out the backside. I didn't see it. Okay. Where's it going? Oh, there it is. Whew. That's a lot of it. All right, we got that maintenance done. Let's call that maintenance Monday. We got that wood pile burnt. So now what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go plow out around, not so much around the sawmill, but around my wood processor, you know, where the conveyors are. I'm gonna be out of town for a couple of days, and it's supposed to start warming up. And when I get back, I'm hoping the snow's gone around the wood processor, and we can get to cutting our firewood because we are running low. So let's go get that plowed up. All right, that looks better. I'm down to the dirt in spots. Got a lot of frost in the ground, so it's going to take a while for this to thaw out. All right, so we got some room. I'm going to have to move this stuff once we start cutting firewood because we got to get the trailers out here. I do have some screws to put in before we get started. I got some screws that broke on the conveyor. Put a few things together, tighten her up, and let's do it. Okay, I'll do this one. That should be lined up. All right, guys, I'm heading on vacation. Actually, I'm going to Florida. Time you see this, though, I'll already be back. But we have another product that showed up. So as soon as I get back, we'll be doing unboxing of this. Another product from Garvey. Supposed to be a diesel caddy, so we'll see. That says gas, though, now that I see it. They told me they were sending me a diesel caddy. I don't know. But that'll do it for this video, guys. I'm going to let this battery charge up on this quad and fire it up. Should be all set to go. Wow. Is there not enough cranking amps? This thing's charged. It's at 91%. Is my starter bad? Yep, I think I got a bad spot in my starter. Okay, now. Oh, here for me. Now I got to buy a starter for this thing. That's what's crushing my batteries. Alright, get another starter.